This is an AirTag, and it might just save your motorcycle. A device this small, this unobtrusive, and costing only $29 might actually be one of the better methods of anti-theft you can have for such a small vehicle. Is an AirTag perfect? No. Is it your best method of anti-theft? Probably not. A GPS tracker that's hardwired into your motorcycle will be more accurate, it will give you better data, and it won't inform a thief what they've stolen. See, AirTags have anti-stalking measures, which means that if I were to slip one into the pocket of our dear video producer Dan, it would warn him on his iPhone that somebody else's AirTag was traveling with him. If somebody steals my motorcycle, they'll get the same alert and they'll know to look for one. But for $29, I can pull out my phone right now and at least know where my bike is. Sure, if somebody's stolen it, I might not know. They may have already taken the AirTag out and ditched it somewhere. But I'll know that it's not in my parking spot, and I'll know that at least something is up. That peace of mind, to me, is worth $29. I can park outside a restaurant, lock my bike up, and be able to check from inside whether or not it's moved. Sure, it's not gonna blare some alarm if a kid tries to sit on it, but it's $29. That's worth it.